everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Talk. I hope you're all doing well. Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all fathers out there, plus to everybody's father, of course. 2 weeks since last time around, and we have some highlights to share. We're coming to the end of the quarterly results, so it's a little bit less reporting at this moment, but still there is some reports to show. Bilibili, they reported a 34% year-over-year sales growth. A target for them is $86, which has a good upside from current levels. NIO, the electric car maker, reported a 28% sales growth. My target for them is $39, which has a good upside from current levels. Oracle reported a modest 5% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is $94, which also has an upside from current levels. Docusign reported a 25% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is $118, which also has a good upside from current levels. All right, let's look at some other highlights. Adobe reported a 14% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is $365, which is actually where they are trading currently. Let's look at some Canadian stocks. Dolarama reported a 12% year-over-year sales growth. My target for them is 64 Canadian dollars. And currently they're trading a little bit higher than that. Saputo reported a 15% year-over-year sales growth. My target for them is 40 Canadian dollars, which also has an upside currently. BRP, this is the company who does the Sea-Doo, etc. They had 29% year-over-year sales growth. My target for them is 140 Canadian dollars, which also has an upside from current trading levels. All right, that completes the highlights. Let's dive into the regular reporting. We're going to go into the US market and the value stocks. Meta Platform is number one. They also changed the ticker symbol to Meta from FB for Facebook. So that's the change for them. JP Morgan is number two, like last time. And Chevron is the newcomer in spot number three. They have a $292 billion market cap with the price earning of 14. Pfizer, who was in the list, drops out from top three. Here we are looking at high market cap companies with low price earnings, so-called more stable conservative stocks to have in your portfolio. All right, let's look at the dividends, and here we have a newcomer and a new change. China Petroleum moves up to spot number one because they just made a dividend payout of almost 10%. And the year-over-year has been almost 14%, unheard of. Petro China moves down to spot number two, and Total Energies re-enters the list on spot number three, just letting AT&T drop out from it. All right, let's look at the growth in the US market. Vroom is number one. Lyft moves up one spot to spot number two. Trading places with Moderna, who drops down to spot number three. Here we're looking at sales growth year-over-year, comparing it with stock price growth year-over-year. Put them in a big list. We also look at current stock prices, and we extrapolate, and just to see where they should be. We also balance it with price to sale ratio, and that's how we get a huge list. So these are in the top three. And the bottom of that list is what I call pricey ones. So Snowflake is the new number one. They moved up one spot, and trading places with Datadog, who drops down to spot number two. Crowdstrike, they are a newcomer in spot number three. They reported they also have a sales growth of 61% year-over-year with the stock price growth of 9%. Their price to sale ratio is high of 24. Cloudflare, who was in the list, has now dropped out from top three. All right, this completes the US market. Let's go into the Canadian market. We start with the value stocks there. Royalbank is number one, TD Bank is number two, and Bank of Nova Scotia is number three. So no changes. The dividends in the Canadian market, here we have a change. Tourmaline oil is still number one, Enbridge is number two, but Pembina pipeline re-enters list in spot number three, and IGM Financial drops out from top three. Growth stocks in the Canadian market, Air Canada is number one, Curaleaf is number two, and TFI International is number three. No changes. pricey ones in the Canadian market. Onyx is number 1. Turquoise Hill Resources is number 2. And Franco Nevada is number 3. No changes there either. So this completes the report for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Since it's turbulent time, always research a lot of information before jumping ahead with the stocks. All right, until next time, bye-bye.